Let's run through the key tools in Nookal that you can use if you are registered with the NDIS. We have two key integrations that you can take advantage of in order to process NDIS claims: our NDIS integration or the HICAPS Digital integration. Let me show you what you can do with each of these and a few key setup steps. Let's start with the NDIS integration. This tool allows you to set up budgets on the client's case so that you can manage funding allocated to the client. As part of this tool, you can set up budget categories and allocate a default category against each service so that when you raise invoices, the correct budget category is deducted from. Please note, you will need to make sure that each service has been enabled for integrations and for NDIS in order to see it appear in the integration area. The second aspect of this tool is our NDIS Export and Import tool. The Export tool allows you to capture any invoices linked to your NDIS contact payer raised in the specified date range. You can then export the list into a CSV and upload the CSV to the NDIS portal for assessment and payment. Once the NDIS have provided you with the claim outcomes, you can then import this CSV using our NDIS Import tool, which will mark payment in bulk on the invoices for those approved claims. If you do plan to use the NDIS Export tool, we recommend that you complete each of the fields in the configuration area, as these will pull through when you use the Export tool. In addition, with your NDIS payer contact, we recommend adding your NDIS registration number. Within your client's case, add the client's NDIS participant number, and from your location setup, you can also add your ABN. By taking these steps, this information will auto-populate when running the export. Next, let's take a look at the HICAPS Digital integration. Again, you can use this tool to enter and track budgets for the client as they attend the clinic and are invoiced for. Just like the NDIS integration, you can set up budget categories and set up each service's default category. In order for the service to show up in the HICAPS integration area, you will need to make sure it has been enabled for HICAPS and the NDIS via the service setup area. Unlike with the NDIS integration, where you export your list of claims into a CSV, with the HICAPS Digital integration, you'll be able to send claims directly to the NDIS from the invoice in Nookal. You'll raise the invoice like normal and click Pay via HICAPS, select NDIS Agency Managed, and can then send off the claim directly to the NDIS. If you have completed all the fields in the integration area, these will pull through automatically. Once they have confirmed payment, this will automatically reconcile on your invoice in Nookal.